Hey guys, what's up? It's Into Thin Air once again, 6:44, 6:45 on June 9th, 2017. I have you here at the LASCO cams again. This is the same camera where I showed you guys those four sun diving comets between June 6th and a little bit before when we're starting now. But we're here today to actually look at two more, but these two are traveling together. And not only that, but one or both of these may have very well hit the sun, causing a reaction, and then whether the reaction caused the camera to glitch or the people at NASA didn't want us to see what kind of reaction it had, we have a lot of missing data. Now, I want you to focus down here in the bottom right corner. You can also watch here, but they show up a lot better on this negative camera because um, they get dim very quickly. As they get closer to the sun, they either get disintegrated or they're just traveling so far away it's hard to see them. So anyway, like I said, keep an eye right here, and we'll move forward. There's our first one. You'll see it right there, and then you'll see the second one show up just to the bottom left of it. Sorry about the skipping around. So there's our first, there's our second, which is just cool in itself to see two of these going towards the sun at the same time. Now, this is what I want to show you. Now, what I want you to do is with me, I'm going to hit play here, and then I'm going to keep my mouse on these two because they're going to disappear about right here. But I want you to picture them still going towards the sun. All right, so here we go. You're going to look for a flash. Watch this. So there they are, going around, and then boom. Picture them hooking around the sun. Like I explained in my other videos, these sometimes if they're big enough, they'll wrap around the sun and come out the other side and survive. Now, most of them burn up before they even get near the sun because of the heat. And then some of them actually hit the sun, which is what I think happened here. And I'm going to show you why. I'll back it up a little bit. So there's our two. I'll hit play again so you can get an idea of the timing. So there they are. Just kind of picture them wrapping around. And then boom. All right, so on their return trip, it could have been a shallow angle and they hit the sun. And you see that flash. Now, take a look at what happens the second that flash hits. Now keep in mind, for the most part, for those of you that follow these cams often, you know that they take a snapshot every 12 minutes. So you see, it's very common to see the 12, 24, 36, 48, then the new minute. They will skip 2 or 3 frames here and there, sometimes an hour, but it's rare to see them skipping the amount of time I'm about to show you. So now, one more time. Sorry to be repetitive, but that's how we learn. These go towards the sun, going around the back of the sun, and then shallow angle, and boom. Okay? So now watch this. Right here, right before the flash is 13:45. So that's when the flash is recorded. Check that out. Right before the flash, we have 12:24. The next frame, 12:24, next frame is 13:45. So we skipped over an hour, which is where our big flash is. So let's consider this impact time. 13:45, and then the next frame, 15:05. So once again, we skipped way over an hour in two separate frames back to back. Now we go from 15:05 to 16:26, another hour and change skipped. And then to 18:21, same exact deal. And then we kind of level back out to 1956, and then 2109, and that's the last frame we get for now. As time passes, I'll get more frames. I'm going to keep an eye on this, but these last 5 or 6 frames, they skipped an hour each time, and it happened right after these two sun divers would have hit the sun. So, in my opinion, I feel like either one or both of these went around the sun and took a shallow angle and actually smashed into it, causing this reaction. Now, these are known to cause CMEs when they hit the sun in the right conditions, so this isn't out of the realm of possibility. And the fact that there's two, they're a little separate from each other, but they are traveling together in the, the idea of space is what I'm trying to say. Sorry, I get tongue-tied here. Anyway, So there they go, wrap around the sun, and then boom, we get our flash. But what I want to focus on is what happens after the flash. It's the missing time. Now you can see there's clearly a reaction. The sun is giving off some sort of pulse. It's hard to see on this camera. That's why they have this one here to show you the negative view. And again, in just 5 frames, we go from the 12th hour all the way to the 21st hour. Now that is crazy. That's a lot of missing data. Now the only thing I can think of is that later on in a couple hours they may replace it, but at the same time, the fact that it's missing right now is what bothers me. So this is why I watch these cams. A lot of people look at this stuff and they'll never come back and look again because it's just not entertaining to them, or they're just not interested in this stuff. But I'm telling you guys, the info you can get from these cameras is incredible. And here we go again with the 2. There they go up and disappear, wrap around, shallow angle, and then they hit the sun. And then look at these waves here. Crazy. Now, for all I know, we may get a CME in the next couple hours, and we will most likely get to see that here. Now, if there is a CME, you can basically guarantee that these 2 comets are what caused it. Oh boy, I'm gonna plug in my computer. Well, I'm done anyway. That's what I wanted to show you guys. Hope you're all enjoying your day. I will be back with a follow-up for this video, but I just wanted you guys to see this. This is pretty cool. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.